Alright, already excited. I really should not be doing this outside, but you know, Corona now, boy, so I think I'll open it upside down. I just have a feeling. Moment of truth. This come from China. I really need to sanitize after I open this. Oh, you go on. Oh, it's nothing.
Oh, shut
I would spray with bug spray.
It's bug man.
I don't even know what it's looking like yet. I'm excited. I really don't want to do much damage because this itself is like a little under 500 US and I pay like around 600 TT to clear it. So I essentially holding like almost 4,000 TT in my hand and I don't want to be wild and be funny just for the vlog and scratch it up because I'll actually do it. Oof, oof, oof. I was sleeping on this way too long. I had it for the longest while and I was just looking for the right time to put it on. Because of this whole quarantine thing, we actually have time. Try to do this one-handed and not damage anything. Whew. Finally. Okay, so this is a carbon fiber lip from PSI Motorsports. Huge shout out to them for hooking me up with an amazing deal on this. We're gonna put this on the front of the car now and hope it starts looking a little more like me. Thankfully we get tape with it. Thanks PSI Motorsports. We're gonna clean down, line the tape and then stick it and then we'll see what the screws after. Do a test line up and we have the tape there. Enough just to make sure it hold on a little bit so we could chuck these screws straight up inside there and make sure it's secure. Alright, so this is the final product. The lip is completely on. What I did was basically get the double-edged tape up, stick it up, place the lip, make sure it is where I want, and then we have 9 screws inside there. 9 self-tap screws, 3 at the front, 2 on each sides of the front, and then 2 on each sides going down there. So the lip is secure. It's not going nowhere, honestly. It's really not going anywhere. But we have one very little, very tiny, but also very annoying problem that we need to sort out now. And we need to do it with these tools here. So if you look very carefully inside the gap between where the bumper and the lip touch, you'll notice that we can see all the pieces of tape that I misaveraged thinking it would be touching the car. So we need to go in there with a little tweezer now and remove all that tape because it's a real big eyesore. We didn't get all completely out because some of them was kind of touching both pieces and it was kind of tough to squeeze it and pull it out of there. So I just kind of pushed those back down a little bit deeper. Thanks, cars are supposed to be quarantining while they're outside. Just push them back a little deeper so you can see them from outside. Ooh, good to go. Time to get some nice shots. This is the final product. I can't believe how much of a difference a small little lip make. But the whole car different. It's starting to come together so nicely. We have the grill on the way, so once the black grill goes to the front. Whoo! So I asked on Instagram a while back what we should name the car. The car need a name that would embody the car and the plans I have for it in the future. And we all know the Lancer's name was Scar, short for Scarlet. We need to find a name that suits the Audi. And I asked on Instagram what you all think I should name it. I got a lot of suggestions. Some of them was really good, some of them wasn't so good. But we're not going with any because the name of the car is officially Welcome to Layla. The name of the car is Layla. I like the name Layla, obviously, but it just makes so much sense when you look at what Layla means and some of the plans I have for this car. That's a little too much spoilers, but the car name is officially Layla. If you want to check she out on Instagram, I'll leave the Instagram right here. It's layla.x. So yeah, it's officially Layla. I am inside Layla right now. Whoa, pause. Alright, woo.